Good day everyone, I am Cadet Feliciano Jack Jack and I'm here to demonstrate how to announce the distress, urgency, and safety message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Ocean Star, MB Ocean Star, MB Ocean Star. Call sign Delta Echo Foxtrot, MMSI 876-543-210. Position 12 degree 34 minutes north, 130 degree 45 minutes east. My vessel has collided with another ship. I required immediate assistance. Over. Panpan, panpan, panpan. All station, all station, all station. This is MB Ocean Star. Call sign Bravo Charlie Delta, MMSI 987654321. Position 14 degree 25 minutes north, 120 degree 58 minutes east. We have an injured crew member on board requiring urgent medical assistance. Medical evacuation assistant. 20 people on board. The vessel is stable and containing the navigate safety. Over. Security, security, security. All station, all station, all station. This is MB Ocean Star. MB Ocean Star. MB Ocean Star. Call sign Alpha Bravo Echo. Navigational warning. Large debris sighted in position 15 degree 30 minutes north, 120 degree 45 minutes east. Listen VHF channel 12 for updates. Out!